Let's make product manipulation. Change the background color to black. Take new layer and brush with white. Bring a curtain shape and adjust it. Take pen tool, make a shape behind curtain shape. Clip new layer to shape and brush with white. Make another shape around curtain with pen. Again, clip new layer to shapes and brush with white. Remove brush layer of background and make again. Bring product in PNG and adjust it. Make oval shape to give shadow effect and apply blur on it. Apply shadow effect on product and adjust it. Take new layer brush with white and adjust it with perspective tool. Apply mask on it and remove some parts and adjust it. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to merge all layers and apply camera raw filter on it. Thank you for watching.